I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to claim Twitch drops for Marvel Rivals. The first thing you need to do is connect your Marvel Rivals account to your Twitch account. Let's walk through the steps to do that. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to www.marvelrivals.com. Click Login at the top of this screen if you're not logged in automatically. Choose the gaming service you want to use to log in to the Marvel Rivals website through, and then log in through that service. You'll be routed back to the Marvel Rivals website home screen, where you'll now see your account name at the top of the screen. Step 2. Click the drop-down arrow associated with your account name, and then click My Account. Your Marvel Rivals account screen opens. Step 3. Click Connections in the menu on the left side of this screen. Connections options are displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Find Twitch in this list and then click Connect associated with Twitch. A window opens asking if you want to give Marvel Rivals access to your Twitch account. Step 5. Click Authorize. That window closes and another window opens, letting you know that your Twitch account was successfully connected to your Marvel Rivals account. Step 6. Click Confirm. You'll now be able to claim Twitch drops for Marvel Rivals. Now you just need to open Twitch and watch a streamer who's both playing Marvel Rivals and has claim drops enabled. You can confirm the Twitch stream you're watching play Marvel Rivals has claim drops enabled by looking underneath their stream for the Drops Enabled tag. You'll also see a notification that drops are enabled in the chat. You can see your progress toward claiming specific Marvel Rivals Twitch drops by doing the following. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to www.twitch.tv/drops/inventory, and then log into your Twitch account if you're not logged in already. I'll post this link in the description and pinned comment for anyone who needs it. Step 2. Make sure Inventory is selected in the menu at the top of this screen. From here, you can scroll down to the Drops section and see Marvel Rivals Twitch claim drops that you're making progress on, and the exact % complete associated with that progress. If there are drops where you've completed the progress, you'll see a Claim Now button on them. All you need to do to claim a completed drop is click Claim Now. You'll see a note at the top of the screen letting you know that you've claimed a Twitch drop. You'll also see this drop in the Claimed section. The final step you need to do is open Marvel Rivals and then click the inbox icon at the top of your home screen. Inside of your inbox, you'll see messages from System with a subject line that says Live Stream Drops. Click to open any one of these messages and then click Claim to claim that Twitch drop item and have it added to your inventory. Repeat this process for any other drops you need to claim. All of your claimed items will now be available in your Marvel Rivals inventory and ready for use. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.